everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope that everybody is doing well. It's me, TD Roger, and I'm back on your screen once again. And I know I'm late. I know there's no chat today. I'm walking around. That's because I am here to say thank you. You know what? We have reached the first 100 subscribers. You did it, and your friends did it, and your mom did it, and your aunt, and your dog, and the cat. I know they did because you know what? We reached the goal. So I want to say thank you, and you. All right? So I'm about to share with you guys the first thing. One, my outfit. Did you like it? I got this by YDE, and the pants H&M. I was gonna say H&M, and I knew people were gonna come to me and be like, "Hot TD." Oh, also again, people are saying I have a British accent. Please tell me if I do, cause I don't think I don't. But anyway, this was like my wedding outfit, and the hair. I can't remember where my mom got this hair, but we've got this hair, and you know, you guys know I don't know how to behave when we have this kind of hair. So, without any further ado, brace yourself. So, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's very extravaganza. You wanna fight with me? You wanna fight? I know it doesn't sit there. Stop it!
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I